What is up guys, HeatSeeker here and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to unbox probably the best budget mousepad under 1000 rupees, which is none other than SteelSeries QcK gaming mousepad. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by seeing what's written on the box. On the front, as you can see, we have the SteelSeries logo along with SteelSeries written besides it. Then we can see the square cutout which shows the mousepad itself, and it is also written that the cloth used is durable and super soft material. Moving to the side, it says that QcK mousepads are the most trusted mousepads in esports. Then on the back it says that it is the most successful professional gaming mousepad. Then it has a non-slip base which will stay put no matter how intense the gaming gets. Then the third point is that with its durable smooth surface, we will get the precision which the pros rely on. Well, I have to test it and see if it is really that good. Now let's open up the box and see the mousepad itself. I will speed this process for you guys. The mousepad itself is of 320mm in length, then 270mm in width and 2mm thick. Now let's take a closer look at the mousepad itself. Now as you can see, we have the SteelSeries logo at the corner which looks really nice. It is embossed on the mousepad. Then the thickness is 2mm, which is not that thick, but it is still good for what it is, because some people may not like thick mousepads and some people may prefer them, but for my liking it is really good. Also, the surface of the mousepad is really soft. Now let's play some games and test out how well this mousepad works. For this test we are going to play Fortnite. Now from my personal experience, I have to say that when I used this mousepad for the first time, it was very smooth compared to my previous mousepad, because the heavy mouse glided on the mousepad as if it had no weight. Compared to my previous mousepad, this mousepad was very easy to control with the mouse. Compared to an average mousepad, we can definitely see a lot of difference while using this type of gaming mousepad. So my final verdict will be that anyone who wants to get into gaming and wants to have a basic gaming mousepad with good features and under 1000 rupees, then I will recommend you guys for this mousepad. So these were my first impressions about this mousepad. That's about it for this video. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to smash that like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to it. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.